Welcome to your step-by-step guide to medicalrotations.com. You've successfully registered your clinic, and today we're going to show you how to navigate our dashboard. Our platform is designed to be easy and intuitive. Simply visit medicalrotations.com, log in with your username and password, click Accept, and you're right inside your main dashboard. Here you'll find key information about active rotations broken down by specialty, as well as financial statistics, including the revenue generated from these rotations. At the bottom, you will see a section where you can attach additional information for your students, such as vital signs examination templates, internal clinic rules, and more. Next, the calendar provides a breakdown showing exactly which students are currently active and the specific days of their rotations. And the financial section, the first thing you can do is check if your account is connected to Stripe. If you haven't done so yet, we have a video explaining the process. In this same section, you'll find a detailed transaction history, including the date students registered and made their payments. This is essential for maintaining total control over your finances. Finally, we've added a resources section, where you'll find information on how to register as a student on medical rotations, a comprehensive guide on registering your clinic, and instructions for setting up your Stripe account. Thank you for choosing Medical Rotation to manage your clinical rotations. We are dedicated to connecting medical students with quality clinical experiences across the United States.